The show ends, you and Phyna look like you're coasting, and then I saw a lot of allegations from fans. I don't know what is true and what is not. Where did it break with Phyna?
It ended a couple months ago, and to be honest, the reason why the relationship didn't work was there were some irreconcilable differences. I always said it that...
Sounds like a divorce.
Some irreconcilable differences. I always said it that the way I viewed relationships in the house was going to be different from the way on the outside. Because in the house, we know how intense it can get and everything. And I always said it to her that, listen, when we come outside, even in my interviews, when we come outside, we see how the relationship goes. Because I know it's going to be a different experience, a different vibe. And when we did come outside, yeah, we gave it a go.
By Cape Town, you guys were still together?
Yes, we're still together.
So this was when? November? December?
No, this was, I think, January.
So you guys, this situation happened in January?
Yeah.
What was that situation?
I think January. It was just personal, it was just personal issues, to be honest.
There's a lot of allegations, like I said, at the start of this. And it's very important that things are clear to people because some of them were very grave. And I want you to answer this very honestly.
Okay.
Did things ever get physical with Phyna?
No, they didn't.
So what exactly happened?
I mean, regarding the allegations online and all those things, we know how messy we know how this Big Brother fan bases can be.
Don't blame it on the fans. We're not there.
Okay,
which is why we're asking.
Like I said, Ebuka, there was nothing of that sort. I'm not that kind of guy. I've never been that kind of guy. So it is not in my DNA. I wasn't raised that way to be violent or to physically abuse a woman. You understand? So those were allegations that were cooked up by people on social media.
But nobody accused you of hitting me. I was accused of hitting you, and you didn't say anything about it.
Oh, when I was accused of dating your PA, did you say anything?
I never
because
saw
you don't
that.
come online. You don't come online to defend me. And to be honest,
oh, so now I don't defend you.
To be honest, no, that's the truth. Because I'm just minding my business. Like I said, the relationship did not work. You understand? And even after that...
Did you sleep with a PA?
No.
Okay.
You have to be to be honest, that's why I said they cook up a lot of stories. It wasn't just that, there were several things that were said.
Phyna, because you bore the brunt of these allegations, I saw the conversation. I didn't want to say it blatantly, but thank you for mentioning that, because I saw those tweets and I saw the conversations, and it's a narrative that's gone on for months now that you physically hit Groovy. Did that happen?
Never.
So where did that come from, and where did this end? What happened?
So I was just on my own.
I'm not hearing you very well.
I was just on my own that day, and I started seeing blogs. Phyna is an abuser. Phyna did this. They put my picture on his picture. So there was one time he had, I think, a reaction on his face. They were like, I was the one who slapped him. And Groovy is somebody I have never insulted.
But you guys still together at this time?
No.
Okay.
Groovy is somebody I have never even insulted. No talk of, why will I be hitting him? I might be every other thing. You can say Phyna is raz, loud, but never an abuser.
So
and now where the relationship got sad, Groovy is confused, very manipulative.
Oh, now I'm confused.
Honestly,
just say you're hurt about the
Groovy
breakup.
is
stop acting like that.
Hurt about who, man?
Stop saying
as
you're
I was
hurt
saying,
about the
please
breakup.
keep quiet. I'm talking.
I want her to finish, then I'll say what I'm going to say.
Let me talk.